So I pulled up from a distance once that 808 got kicking. But you listen, I be making love to the beat. Let me drop the scene. Obviously, how our body beats like it's prophecy. Such a novelty, yeah, I'm royalty. Where's your courtesy? Come cross the world to see, like it's all to see. Check my policy, this is the prodigy. First you hear it audibly, undoubtedly. You'll believe it internally, consciously. The quality, yes, it is arguably flawlessly, constantly striking higher forces, draining sources, reanimation to corpses. This less importance, talk to me. They gon' follow me as if it's sorcery. But God's endorsing me, that's how I forge the key. Though supposedly I was supposed to be a beast before the sun came and spoke to me, and that's mad dope to me. Guess it's the fact he ain't no ghost to me. He's close to me, I call him Abba. I don't need no rosary, who's the Pope to me? 'Cause I'm
a child of God, a child of God.